Today, I'm going to show off 4 new Power BI dashboard examples we've developed for membership, e-commerce, events, and user engagement. They give you powerful snapshot views into key areas. If you're working at an association or credentialing organization, you'll love this. And if you're just curious about what Power BI's reporting and the dashboards inside Dynamics 365 can do, you'll love this. Before I jump into these Power BI dashboards, let me just make a quick public service announcement. Everybody struggles with reporting. It's not just you. Every organization we serve has questions about how to get the reporting that will actually help them make better informed decisions. We can walk you through exactly what you need and how to get it from your data more easily. After I show off what our new dashboards can tell you, let's connect to talk about your reporting questions and challenges. Dynamics 365 with Cobalt's tools and team can help.
First, let's look at our events dashboard. The dashboards are easily embedded in CRM, so you have the interactive elements right within Dynamics 365 instead of jumping back and forth from Power BI to your CRM. Right away, we can see the important details of all of your meetings, classes, and events over the course of the year. On the left, we can see the year-to-date numbers about how many people registered, how much was made from the registrations, and how many of those registrations ended up in people attending. Right off the bat, you can get a sense for how your events are doing this year. You can even compare your current registrations and sales to previous years, giving you even more insight into the history and trends of event registrations. Part of why we built these Power BI snapshot dashboards is because we know that getting the numbers is already time-consuming, but getting the context for the numbers often takes even longer. That's why we included analytics on the events and registration fees themselves. Now you can see your top and bottom performing events and fees and make informed decisions. You can identify discrepancies in your data and adjust your marketing and event management strategies to address them. You can even filter on the dashboard based on specific events. For example, we can see here the breakdown of how many registrants used a specific fee and if that fee was used to register for a specific event. This is helpful for us to see if a special student fee or member fees are being used by registrants. If they aren't, then it's easy to start thinking about the why. That's what these dashboards are here to do, make the initial reporting easy so you can spend time on the real analytics. Next up, let's take a look at our e-commerce snapshot dashboard. It focuses on the MVP of reporting metrics, the money. Much like the events dashboard, we'll see our big picture numbers on the left. They give us an immediate sense of how sales have been in the year and how that relates to the number of orders and number of unique customers. You'll immediately know how much money you've made and how the total amount is broken down. You can tell a lot about your customers' purchasing tendencies, and you can make comparisons with purchases over time using the sales history visual. From there, you can look into what is being sold and the top or bottom products either based on quantity or by price. It's a fast way to determine that while your top selling product by dollar is one item, that doesn't necessarily mean it's the top selling product in quantity. All Power BI dashboards are interactive, and this one is no different. Using the sales history visual, we can pick a specific point in time and see a focused-in view of your e-commerce trends at that point in time. Now that's what we call efficient. Now, while the snapshot dashboards are meant to be a one-stop shop for high-level analytics and reporting, we know that it's important to understand a bit more about the people who make up your members, customers, and registrants. That's why all of the snapshot dashboards are not only filterable on the visuals and the data already present, but also include 3 additional categories for filters. You can filter each of these Power BI dashboard examples based on the date that is relevant to their data. For the membership dashboard here, the date filter is for a member's join date. While the dashboard is defaulted to filter on all join dates, you can narrow down the members your dashboard shows based on their join date to isolate just their specific behaviors and trends. All of the dashboards are also filterable based on your user demographics for education level, age range, and identified gender. And lastly, each dashboard will have its own specific filter to provide additional context to the data being shown. For membership, we can see that the dashboard is filterable by member type, so you can see the snapshot based on a specific member type. For e-commerce, you can also filter based on the status of the orders, such as if it was fulfilled or canceled, and for events, you can filter based on the specific event itself for a more granular look at a single event's performance. The membership snapshot we see here is very similar to the other dashboards in the suite, with high-level data points of number of members and number of joins and renewals in the year. You can drill down to take a look at the history of those joins and renewals over time and look at the average tenure history trends. We find that this dashboard, in tandem with the additional filters, allows for the user to get a better understanding of their members and the trends within the membership. Last, but certainly not least, the engagement snapshot. This is our most customizable dashboard since you can create your own engagement scores and decide what activities count as member engagement. Although there is more flexibility here, don't worry. When you adopt the engagement snapshot dashboard, our team at Cobalt will help you get your data set up so that you can use the dashboards right away. No custom code involved. Like the others, the engagement snapshot dashboard is perfect for a high-level overview of your data, with built-in filtering designed to be an easy starting point for the serious reporting you're looking to do. While you could have found this information elsewhere, keeping it all in one dashboard without jumping back and forth from multiple tabs, pages, or sites is a game changer.
Interested in learning more about how you can implement the Snapshot suite of Power BI reports? Want to know more about how Cobalt can help you take advantage of your data and push you to new reporting heights? Let us know and we can set up a quick intro call. I'd love to hear what reporting challenges you're dealing with today and show you some of these Power BI dashboard examples in more depth. Click the link below in the video description to save some time for a call with us soon. And thanks for subscribing to our YouTube channel or Cobalt's blog over on our website. Thanks for watching!